Pressure treatment is a chemical process which helps to protect your garden building. Modern pressure treating methods are environmentally friendly, using water-based treatments. Our 15-year anti-rot guarantee shows our confidence in this preservation method. Our pressure treated buildings will stand up against weather damage, meaning you can happily use the building all year round. For maximum protection, once your building is installed, we advise applying a waterproof treatment to your garden building to prevent water ingress. Without the top coat, water will soak into the timber, causing damp and moisture. When the top coat is added, water will bounce straight off due to the protection from this treatment. Pressure treatment is different to externally applied preservative. With pressure treated buildings, the preservatives are impregnated into the fibres of the wood. The timber is loaded into a chamber and put under vacuum. This empties the timber cells of air. The chamber and timber is then flooded whilst under vacuum with preservative. The preservative is forced deep into the timber using pressure. Another vacuum extracts any excess preservative from the timber. Finally, the timber is left to dry before being assembled and shipped out. Along with our 15-year anti-rot guarantee, all of our buildings come with a 1-year manufacturer's guarantee as standard, giving you peace of mind. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any further information, please visit the website.